So guys, today we're gonna see how you're gonna create or how you're gonna make your replicated site from your back office. So let's start it and let's log into your back office, your Myconnect, and remember this menu on the left side is the one that is gonna help you to do everything that you need, guys. So let's go and click in my account, and then we're gonna go to this section that says replicated site. Once that I am here in replicated site, I'm gonna be able to see this fantastic way to set up your replicated site, how this is going to work. So you need to make sure that your name it's going to be, or the alias that you're going to use is correct. For example, in this case, my testing page names my wellness, right? But you can name it as the way as you want. It could be your name. It could be an alias that you want to create. I don't know, health and wellness. It doesn't matter. Whatever that you want to name your page, you're going to place that name just right here. And then you're going to be able to put as well your personal information, and email is going to be really important to have registered here, that it could be the same email that you have on the page when you make your enrollment, when you enroll as a new distributor. And then you just need to click here on save. Once that you click and save, guys, it's gonna be this message that says information updated. That means that now your replicated site has been updated with the name that you place here, and all this information is the one that your prospect or your contact is going to see when they're going to click on these links. And what are these links, Fabiola? Well, this is amazing, guys, because with these links, the one that says store or shop is the one that you're going to share with those prospects that they want to be your customers, right? Once that they click on this link, they're going to be able to buy your product from your own page, and your commissions are going to be set up, guys. Then in this one that says enroll at the end, you're going to be able to share those with the prospects that they want to be distributors. Those are going to be your new distributors clicking on here, and they're going to make the enrollment process that we have on our tutorials. And this last one, guys, that says sample, is to share samples in all around the United States. I'm really excited about this because this works just for the United States, guys, and you have to take advantage of this. It doesn't matter if you live in Peru, in Colombia, in Mexico, or in other islands. You're going to be able to share this link in order that in the United States, our prospects or your prospects, your contacts can receive free product. So the only thing that you have to do now is copy this link and paste it in a new browser, or just click on this link and it's going to be copied. In that way, when you paste it on your social media, you're going to be able to share this with all your contacts. Guys, easy peasy. Remember, the key factor of your growth and how to make your business successful is to share your replicated sites. See you on the next tutorial and have an amazing day.